We started Alto with a simple mission: to safely deliver the world's most precious cargo, you and your family. We built our company to deliver you the safest, most consistent, highest quality passenger experience in the world. We've always set the standard for safety with background checked and drug tested employees, not contractors. Every Alto is a company-owned vehicle, which is cleaned and maintained daily, and we monitor each trip with secure cloud-based video. Each vehicle in the fleet is outfitted with a custom protective barrier between the driver and passenger compartment, and also has a HEPA air cabin filter, which removes 99.9% of airborne particles. In addition to our daily deep cleaning procedures, which use EPA-registered disinfectants, our drivers are disinfecting high-touch surfaces in the vehicle between each trip. And all of our vehicles have been treated with PermaSafe. PermaSafe is an EPA-registered, hospital-grade sanitizing mist that kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, including emerging pathogens like COVID-19. The PermaSafe product forms a covalent bond with every surface in the vehicle, creating an invisible antimicrobial shield that kills germs on contact for a full 3 months. Alto drivers are the safest in the industry. As employees, all drivers undergo temperature checks before each shift and use company-provided masks in every ride. We know movement is critical to our society, so when you're ready, we're ready.